So what's up friends, it's Prosper here again, and here is another video on a tutorial. And in this tutorial video I'm about to show you guys is how you can learn everything that has to do with fraction. Fraction is a branch of mathematics that helps us to know the parts and the whole of a number. So a lot of pupils, students all around the world always have fractions. Okay, let me not say a lot, some or few always have problem dealing with fractions and how to evaluate exercises that pertains with fraction, from number to equation, numbers of fraction, equation of fraction. So in this video we shall be learning everything that has to do with fraction, from what fraction to improper fraction to proper fraction to mixed number to addition of fraction, subtraction, addition or subtraction, multiplication, division, and fraction involving body mass. So all of this we all shall be learning it right here in this video. So take a time, if you love what you heard and you want to involve in what you just heard and attain them with sound attainment, ensure you like, subscribe to this channel, because this channel will bring a lot of in-depth content, a lot of content ranging from mathematics to computer science to programming to a lot of things that have to do with our modern civilization. So as much has been said, ensure you turn on the notification bell when you subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned because a lot of things will be dropping that pertain to do with education and civilization. So along the line, so let's get started. So today what we'll be dealing with is fraction. And what is fraction? We can say a fraction is a part of a whole. Now what is a whole? A whole means a complete number. Every integer is a complete number. As 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 upwards infinite. They are all whole number. Then when you're having something like, let's say 1.5, 2.75, 3.25, then fraction comes in. So this is what fraction is all about. When a number is having some extra, the point, something's point, the other numbers are called extra numbers, which we know as part of a number. That brings us to fraction. So what is fraction? As we said, a fraction is a part of a whole. So now how can we evaluate fraction, and how do we know what is fraction, types of fraction, and how can we get started with fraction? So first thing we need to know is fraction have types. Now types of fraction, so let's quickly move to types of fraction. So types of fraction. So in types of fraction we can have number one, we have the proper fraction. Secondly, we have the improper fraction. And thirdly, we have the mixed fraction. So we'll be starting first with the proper fraction, then we move further. So firstly, we have the proper fraction. So we can say a fraction is proper. You can say a fraction is proper when the numerator is a smaller number and the denominator is a bigger number. So example, we have e.g., or let's say example, we have 1/2. So this number is called the numerator, and this down number is called the denominator. So when the numerator is a small number and the denominator is a bigger number, we can refer to this as a proper fraction. So that is what you should always ensure to check in when you want to know the types of a fraction. So it can be any number, just ensure that when the numerator is a small number and the denominator is a big number, then it is a proper fraction. So next, we have the next fraction, which we call the improper fraction. So for the improper fraction, you can say a fraction is said to be improper when the numerator is a big number and the denominator is a small number. So when the numerator is a bigger number and the denominator is a smaller number, we can say this fraction is an improper fraction. So example, we can say 9/4. So in this case, this is our numerator, and this is our denominator. So this is an improper fraction. When the up number is bigger and the down number is smaller, it is an improper fraction. So let's move to the third. We have the mixed fraction. Now for the mixed fraction, we can say a fraction is a mixed fraction a fraction is a mixed fraction when it has a, let's use the word a whole, when it has a whole number and a fraction. When we can say when we have, let's use the word when we have when we have a whole number and a fraction together. So example, we can say 2 number 2/5. So this is an example of a mixed fraction. So quickly, let's take some exercises identifying the types of fraction.